Okay, so hi everyone. Hi whoever is watching this video. I will be explaining my goal points for CS61b and how I did it. So basically what I did, as you can see here, I added 20 asteroids. They are bound to the same gravitational effects, and every time they collide with a planet or the sun, an explosion occurs and kaboom is popped up on the screen, as well as the planet that is collided, that the planet that receives the collision, its x velocity and y velocity is randomly changed. As you can see, the sun slightly moving right now. It's getting thrown out of orbit. Is essentially what's happening. Um, the asteroids spawn from a random position, whether it be the north, west, east, or south. Um, so I'll just run this again and I'll explain what I did because I think the asteroids, I think all 20 have been destroyed. As you can see, the sun um, out of position. Let me redo this. All right. So basically, what I did was I made an asteroid field class, and the asteroid field class extends the body extreme class. So it is basically a body, and it has the same variables: x position, y position, x velocity, y velocity, mass, and image file name. And there is an x position method, y position method to determine where each asteroid will start. So I use a random integer between between 0 to 3 to determine which side each asteroid will spawn on, and from there I found the x position and y position, and then there's a method remove which will be used later during the n body extreme. And yeah, that's about it for the asteroid field class. Then I made a circle class. Basically, it's just a circle. It has an x, it has a y, and a radius. And it has a get distance method, which uses the Pythagorean theorem to determine the distance between two circles. Okay, so that's the two classes I made, and the body extreme class was not changed in any way, but the n body extreme class was changed. In the n body extreme class, I I instantiated an asteroid and then created a array of asteroids. Let me restart this. So yeah, I created an array of asteroids, and then I drew them out and then began the animation. Um, so I followed the standard procedure. I made a new variable x forces for asteroid and and y forces for asteroid, and did basically the same thing as what happened with the planets. So it follows the same gravitational properties as the planets. As you can see, it's being sucked in by the sun, just like how it should be. And in the middle, I had to determine collision, right? So basically, I created a circle for each asteroid and each planet. So there's an asteroid with there's a circle with an asteroid's x position, y position, and a radius that I determined through trial and error. And there is um, a planet with the exact same thing, its x position, its y position, and a radius determined through trial and error. And I basically saw if the get distance of these two circles was less than the radius of the two circles combined, then basically the circles are intersecting, right? So if that happens, then I would remove the asteroid using the remove method that I described earlier, and then I would remove the asteroid and then change the planet's velocity, x velocity and y velocity, um, with a random integer, and then I would create the text and explosion using std_draw, and yeah, then that's about it. Next, I just redraw, I update the asteroid, update the planet, and this is the result. So yeah, this is my goal points. I worked hard on it, and thank you guys for watching.